Welcome to Life Flows. Today's video introduces you all to how I carry out my DIY manicure for the past 33 years by using a double-edged razor sharp blade as the only tool, the exact way I cut my fingernails. I hope you find this video intriguing and refreshing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notifications for more interesting and refreshing videos like this one. Enjoy. This is my double-edged sharp razor blades. There are many brands and qualities of these blades at the market, but today we are working with this brand. These blades are extremely sharp. In fact, the description extremely fat remains to be an understatement. Once I get my blades out of the package, I begin by cutting my fingernails. For some reasons, I just love to start with my pinky finger and work my way out to my thumb. This is not a must, it's just a choice. As much as using this method to cut your fingernails or carry out your DIY manicures, once you know what you are doing, you will get one of the best results as far as cutting and shaping your fingernails is concerned, hands down. The end results are just immaculate. Very, very classical, if you really knows what you are doing. Also, one thing you always have to notice is that I handle my blade in such a way that I don't cut myself. You need to have an absolute control of your blade whilst you cut, shape, or trim your fingernails. I also use my blade not just to cut but to also clean the corners and the broader surfaces of my fingernails, and it's all part of the manicure. As you can see, in the video.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark winter. Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave.
As the saying goes, right washes left and left washes right. I had finished cutting my fingernails on my left hand, holding the blade or the razor blade in my right hand to cut them. Now it's time to switch. I am currently holding my double-edged sharp razor blades in my left hand and now cutting the fingernails on my right.
It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. Or did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted.
If you find this video intriguing, refreshing, and lovely, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, but above all, turn on your notification for more interesting videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See ya.